today I'm going to be trying as items in Animal Company. Especially rare items. Because people and little kids love to just go, ooh, a free flashlight backpack! I'm so rich now. I'm so cool. And we don't want that happening. So I'm going to troll with the prop scanner and I'm going to become this. Wait, y'all can't see. I'm just like an invisible person. My watch, y'all. My watch. Wait, I can move y'all? Wait, it takes on an item. Oh, I'm a flashlight backpack. But I can't see it. Oh, there you go. I have to stand still. Alright, and then if y'all can't see my arms, but look. I'm literally a flashlight backpack. So then, once they catch us, we're gonna go like this. Aha, you made that. Boom! I'm not that. Slayer. This prop scanner is really OP because you could just become any item. As I'm a grappler. So let's get straight into the video and let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Okay, so right here is my fan code. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in my stash and we are going to get a flashlight. Then we're gonna become it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna when we're joining, we're gonna double jump over here and then come over here. Pause. Okay. All we're gonna do is just jump over the stump and then we're just gonna go near the shop and then just stand there. I don't know why I just made it just act so long. So yeah. We're gonna press that menu. Bam. I might be moving a lot. I might have to try to fix it. So, let's go.
First lobby.
Flashlight backpack, what's this?
Oh, that was mine.
Guys, you're
No, sir. Flashlight backpack. Flashlight backpack.
And get an umbrella too.
Get off it. Nobody cares about your Labubu. Nobody cares about your Labubu legs. Second lobby.
Prototype! What the hell? Get them!
Yo, we don't hear you. Yo, Red, we don't hear you.
You heard that, I bet.
You're not a kid. You're just like...
Oh, hey, they want to do it.
Totally.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yay! Ooh, backpack. I wonder what it could be.
Oh, nice one.
Third lobby.
Shoot.
How do you get that bond? How do you get that?
How did you hit like that? How?
I got this. I got 3.
It gives you the arm?
Hey, can somebody please?
Wait, how do you come here and get that? How do you get that? How do you get that?
Wait, let me also say something.
How do you get hands turn like that? What? How do you get your hands like that?
Let me bring something else.
What is that? You don't know what that is?
It's a mortar grenade. It's an OG grenade.
How did you get that? How did you get the OG stuff?
It used to be right here, but
That's bad! Yo, can you somebody get that chest?
Hey, Green! You don't get OG Paris!
You want to do a
movie. If you want to do a movie, add Pope Jaguar.
No.
I stuff really rare in the bag. Open it then. No, I can't. Why? Can anybody? Can anybody? Because I don't want anybody to steal it. Duh. It's a bomb.
No! Get away from me! Get away from me! I need my... Ow! Hey! Stop it! Get away! No! I'm... OG backpack! Hey! Hey! Ew! 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 Oh my god! La boo boo! La boo boo! Hey! Hey! Yellow! Yellow! Get up!
I can run in the air. I can run in the air. No wonder why the dinosaurs went extinct. They are all weird and ugly.
Oh, these are real OG packs. Get out! Get out! Hey! Hey! Why are you trying to grab me? Why are you trying to grab me? Hey! Come here! Why are you trying to grab me? Why are you trying to steal me?
Now we got.
What? Why are you trying to steal me?
We got the OG backpack to take and play before GTA 6.
Oh my god.
Why are you trying to take? Should I be like a... Hey, why are you trying to grab me? Why are you trying to grab me? I am the OGest of the OGest backpacks. Ah!
How do we watch?
Hey! Get away from me! Get
Public lobby, I crashed my own game. What?
Hey! Get away from me! Pink, you're so good.
Just by dumping like 10 bags of
Oh, it's strawberry snail! If you like more of the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Get out! That was a fake. I need you to you get out of my face? Can I not? Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Give me more ideas in my comments, because I'm a Somali creator. Only 13 subs. 14. I forget! Alright, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Peace out. Bash.